Why does your scanner show the P2091 engine code? What does it mean? P2091 is a diagnostic trouble code for B camshaft position actuator control circuit high bank 1. This error code indicates your vehicle's engine control computer has detected an electrical fault or voltage spike in the circuit that controls the variable valve timing for the exhaust camshaft. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low engine oil, faulty VVT or camshaft solenoid, damaged wiring or connections, worn timing components, defective actuator phaser. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Cadillac, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.